guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so today is the last day of April, I think so. Yeah, and I know I'm going to be posting this video maybe 1st of May. So I want to try this viral eyelashes hack of turning a very cheap eyelashes into a flick eyelashes. So I got this eyelashes from where I used to buy my makeup, and this eyelashes costs in naira 500 naira. Obviously, look at how it is. So obviously, before I would get a lashes that would look like that's natural and 100% human hair and all of that, it will cost me about 2,000 in naira, but this one is just 500. So let me try, because I've seen so many videos in which they turn very cheap affordable lashes into a very flick, beautiful and expensive lashes. So that's why I said, okay, let me try mine, because I saw this lashes and then I'm like, this lashes really looks funny. You can see how it goes. So I just want to try the hack with this particular lashes, and I'm gonna be using this to do that. Okay, so let's us go. Let me see how the progress is gonna be, because I've seen so many videos. Some of the videos I've seen, they were successful in getting it done, some not totally successful, and so I just want to see if mine is gonna be successful or not. Whichever way you guys are gonna see, I'm gonna see that. Okay, so let's get started. Let me clear a space so I can keep this thing on the ground, on the table, and we roll. So let's go. Okay, so here is the lashes, and I'm gonna be using this to comb it this way, because I've seen so many videos where they do it this way. So that's how I'm gonna be doing mine. All right, so let's see if I'm just gonna be doing that in this part of the lashes, and this particular one I'm not gonna be doing anything to it, so I can see the difference already. You guys can see. All right, so let's get started, and I would love to comb it this way and squeeze. I just hope it gives me that flick expensive look, because I've seen so many videos where it was wow. I love the outcome afterwards. So let's go. So I'm going to be pressing it this way, and I'm going to be squeezing it in and probably turning this thing like this, just to any direction, so it can maybe squeeze or something. Already you can see the difference is beginning to go well, so let's keep trying. I think it's actually beginning to give this natural look compared to this one. Alright, and it's kind of a little looking soft in the eyes too, compared to this one. This one looks so synthetic and too straight, and this one is a little bit better. And yep, so let's continue because I just want to see the outcome of this. I think this is actually turning very legit. Like, it looks good though, although it's not scattered as I would love it to be, like looking natural, looking uneven, you know, but it's still a little bit better than this one. Okay, so it came off, and this is how it's looking like. I think it's kind of a little looking flake compared to this. This is looking too synthetic and straight. Anyways, that's just how I can, you know, scrub and squeeze and scatter or whatever. This is actually my final result. I actually think maybe because I apply some oil on this stuff, because I was just trying to clean it, so I apply some oil, so that's why it's actually not giving me that scattered look, but at the same time it's still better off than this. Yep, I think so. Alright guys, so that'll be the end of this Vera eyelashes hack, and I think it's actually better, so I can, you know, go out, get a 300 naira eyelashes or 500 naira eyelashes, you know, squeeze it, rough it, scatter it and all of that stuff, and turn it into a very sleek and expensive lashes. So you can as well try. It is not too difficult to try. It's good. It's still better off than this. It still looks natural. This looks natural than this. Yep. So that'll be it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video if you do love it, and it was just a very fun video, and I hope you did like it. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.